Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today we are going to be making those two tags here. These are part of my A to Z ephemera challenge for 26. I have used my hashtag AZ ephemera 26 one word. So every week I will be making a video using a letter or the alphabet. So this is the second video, so it's letter B, and the challenge was botanical tags with letter B. So I thought to make some very large tags. One of these got a little pocket on the front, and they also got a little tab. So there's one tab on the side there and one tab on the top there. So I have used my own digital papers, of course, which is full of flowers, hence why the botanical theme as well. I put an eyelets there. I'm not going to put any chords because I quite like this to be quite hybrid. It kind of in between a tag and also can be like a card or a little ephemera. You guys use it as you wish. Follow along, and now I'm going to show you how to make those. Okay guys, so these are the papers. I have used my Botanical Elegance papers and my digital bundles. I will show you in just a second on the screen as well. But you might think, oh, well, there's no tags in here. Yeah, there are no tags. We're going to make tags. And I think I'm going to use these ones as well, these lovely tabs on the side. So the first thing we're going to do, and what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to layer this on top of that. In fact, I might use that on top of that. I'm not sure what sort of size tag I'm going to do, but I think I'm going to make two. I want to use this cardstock. Yeah, let's make this right. Yes, so the first thing I'm going to do, because I want my tag to be quite steady and quite hard, I'm going to use this card, so cut it in half, and I think I'm going to use this section here and this on top because I want it to be a little pocket, and then I think I'm going to go for this one here, and I'm going to fussy cut and put the tabs, but I'll show you how to do this together. Right, let me do some cutting and I'll be right back. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now, I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, But as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalog. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay, so I have made the 2 tags. Now, the base actually, I want to use my puncher 10, 4, 7, let's go for 10. I want them, yeah, I want to chop the corner. I don't know, lately I've been having this obsession about rounded corners. I have absolutely no idea why. Do you guys? I don't know, I just prefer this corner situation to be rounded rather than, I don't know why. And then later we're just going to put a little eyelet. So when I put this little tab pocket on the front, I didn't center this properly, so yeah, I don't know why. So but I thought it needs something, so I think I'm gonna put one of the tab. I actually fussy cut the word journal, and I'm just going to put it in there. I'm just going to use a little bit of double-sided tape because I think it needs something. Yeah, I think he needed it. And then I'm going to put those 2 tabs. So I've got memories and love. I think I'm going to do it on the side. So what we do, we just put a strip. To be fair, let's do it this way. And then I'm just going to put 2 thin ones on each side. I mean, you can use glue, but for speedness, if is a word, yeah, for speed, I always prefer double-sided tape. As you know, I love botanical things. I'm obsessed with flowers and everything that's kind of like vintagey. So I'm going to position it kind of there. Yeah, so that's the first tag, and I think I'm gonna do should we do the other one on the top rather than the sides? What do you guys think? Yeah, and then I'm just gonna put the eyelet in there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so same thing, just gonna put, I might just put the 2 strips in there. I don't think it needs the one in the middle, but just for on the safe side, just gonna put it. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put on the top. I don't know why. I think it's quite cute. So I'm gonna position it kind of, I want on a very, very corner there, and this there. Yes, let me zoom out a little bit. Let me move out of the way, get rid of rubbish, everything. Yeah, and then just gonna put just gonna put an eyelet. I'm not sure what color. Now there's quite a lot of brown and colors in there. I think I'm gonna do it like that. So I'm not sure if we should go for gold or silver or copper. What do you guys think? I always go for this color here. Let me show you, which is like it's like a brass, dirty brass color, and I think I'm gonna stick to that. I don't know why I like that color, but because there is a lot of pink, I think copper works as well. Yeah, let's use copper. Yeah, let's use copper. last time I need to tell you this story. It was a couple of weeks ago. I was making some, I can't remember, they were definitely tags because I used the eyelet, and so I thought I closed the bag, so I did close it, so I knew I did. And anyway, so I thought I did double knot, but I didn't, guys. All the eyelets, every single one of them, end up on the floor. OMG, I think it took me like 15 minutes to pick one by one. Oh, that was hilarious. I screamed. I never screamed so hard in my entire life. So yeah, it was quite challenging. But yeah, so that's my botanical tags. So letter B. I have used my Botanical Elegance digital paper, so I hope I remember. I will put the link of my digitals as well. Guys, if you wish to join my A to Z Ephemera Challenge for 2026, which I'm sure it will continue to 2027. I don't know if you're going to end up doing all the alphabet, no, because it's 21 letters divided by 4. What's that? 7? No, 6. I don't know. We might do, but I don't know why I'm waffling. Guys, so if you wish to participate to this challenge, the tag is open to everybody. What you need to do, anything that you make, use the hashtag AZEphemera26. So if you make YouTube videos using the hashtag, so anyone that is watching, click on the hashtag, can see the relevant video. So this is my project for letter B, which is botanical tags. Last week we done letter A, which they were the altered paperclip. Guys, big thumbs up if you like this video, and I really appreciate if you follow along and tag along. And I want to see what you make with the botanical tags. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Big thumbs up if you like this video, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification, and it's always much appreciated. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah.